White bean enchilada skillet. This skillet recipe takes inspiration from classic enchiladas, featuring veggies, tortillas, white beans, and a cheesy topping. Instead of rolling up the filling, the tortillas are baked right into the skillet for the perfect weeknight dinner. We love tangy green enchilada sauce here, but feel free to swap it out for red sauce if you prefer. This comforting vegetarian white bean enchilada skillet is quick and easy, making it a weeknight go-to. Creamy, fiber-rich white beans dance with a medley of perfectly seasoned corn, onions, and smoky poblano peppers in a gorgeous green enchilada sauce, while corn tortilla strips soak up all the flavors of the sauce. Cheddar cheese brings it all together with its melty goodness, while tangy pickled jalapenos balance the fresh notes of cilantro and radishes. A dollop of sour cream is the perfect finishing touch to cut through the spiciness. Tips from the Eating Well Test Kitchen. These are the key tips we learned while developing and testing this recipe in our test kitchen to make sure it works, tastes great, and is good for you too. Fresh poblano peppers are available year-round. Choose ones that are dark green, smooth, and without soft spots or wrinkles. Folding in the tortilla strips may feel awkward, but don't be afraid to get in there and mix them in. Try spreading them out or adding the strips in batches to get even sauce distribution. You can substitute the extra sharp white cheddar cheese with yellow cheddar or pepper jack cheese. This skillet dish would be delicious topped with sliced or cubed avocado or with dollops of guacamole. Nutrition notes. Cannellini beans fall under the white bean category. Like all beans, they provide plant-based protein, antioxidants, and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and iron. The fiber in the beans will help keep things running smoothly through your gut, feed your gut's beneficial bacteria, and help stabilize blood sugar. Green enchilada sauce is made from several ingredients, including tomatillos, a cousin of tomatoes. While there is no one green enchilada sauce recipe, most also have onions and green peppers, including bell peppers and chiles. These ingredients bring antioxidants and nutrients, including more fiber, to this dish. The vitamin C from these ingredients will help your body better absorb the iron in the beans. Cheddar cheese adds some protein and calcium to these enchiladas. Eating cheese also adds beneficial bacteria, probiotics, to your gut. Those bacteria will feed on the fiber from the other ingredients. Corn tortillas are made with whole grains and add more fiber to this dish. Including more whole grains in your meals and snacks may help reduce heart disease risk. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 poblano peppers sliced about 2 cups, 1 small yellow onion chopped about 1 cup, 1 cup fresh or thawed frozen corn kernels, 4 cloves garlic minced 1½ tablespoons, 1½ teaspoon smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 15-ounce can no salt added cannellini beans, rinsed 1 15-ounce can green enchilada sauce, 6 6-inch yellow corn tortillas cut into 1-inch thick strips, 1 cup shredded extra sharp white cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons thinly sliced radishes, 2 tablespoons cilantro leaves, 1 tablespoon pickled jalapeno. Slices optional, 1/3 cup sour cream. Directions 1. Preheat oven to broil with rack 5 inches from heat source. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a 10-inch broiler-safe skillet over medium heat. Add sliced poblano, chopped onion, and 1 cup corn. Cook, stirring occasionally, until softened about 10 minutes. Add minced garlic. Cook, stirring constantly until fragrant, about 1 minute. Remove from heat. Dousra. Stir in 1½ teaspoon smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon coriander, 1/4 teaspoon each cumin and salt, the rinsed beans, and 1 15-ounce can enchilada sauce. Fold in tortilla strips until evenly combined. Sprinkle with 1 cup cheddar. Broil until the cheese is melted, about 3 minutes. 3. Top with 2 tablespoons each radishes and cilantro and 1 tablespoon pickled jalapenos if desired. Serve dolloped with 1/3 cup sour cream. Frequently asked questions: how should I store and reheat leftovers? Transfer leftovers to an airtight container once they have completely cooled. They can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 day. While the texture may soften slightly, reheating them in the microwave can make this change almost unnoticeable. Can I substitute the cannellini beans with another bean? You can use any type of canned bean or a combination of different types, such as black beans, great northern beans, pinto beans, or kidney beans. What should I serve with white bean enchilada skillet? Any type of rice-like dish or leafy green salad would pair wonderfully. Try our easy cilantro lime rice, cauliflower rice pilaf, basic green salad with vinaigrette, or herb and arugula salad with balsamic vinaigrette. Nutrition facts per serving: 348 calories, 16 grams. Fat, 41 grams. Carbs, 14 grams protein.